gift of all. This Christmas, let's let the world know. For all they really need is the love of God to set them free. The season of love. We believe that this world would be much better, and people would come together if we share the reason for the season of love. The spirit of Christmas, it can change this world forever if we all will play our part, just by giving from the heart. I know Christmas will really become the season of love. Outside, on a cold and lonely street, a homeless woman sleeps this Christmas. And tonight, there's a child that dreams of home in an orphanage alone. This Christmas, let's show them we